Welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning. Well, it's another beautiful sunny morning. The temperature is just above 10. The birds are out. Look at it growth, eh? You can tell the compost pile is full of nutrients for those potatoes to keep growing. Okay, so yesterday got a couple of pepper plants for the canning. Here's some Carolina hot peppers. And there's the cayenne pepper. Or for some reason they didn't have any Hungarians out this year. Maybe because they just don't sell. So I'll have to use these. I'm still waiting for some to come out on sale so I can fill the rest of the pots. And peonies are taking their time coming out. And the rest of the pots. Mosquitoes are out in force this morning. Now, how's our growth? Not much more since yesterday. Except for that fella right there. Look at him. How's this plot doing? Well, peas are all still growing fine. So what do we got here? No, it's about up to my wrist. I put it down. See how that compares with the other pea plants by the potato beds. What do we got? Oh yeah. See, look at that. These ones too. First year I planted the squashes, I had a lot of squashes like that too. Once they were all coming out, I actually thinned them out. Well, given the pests I had last year, I can't take that chance. Look at you. Somebody took a munch. Wonderful. Somebody's nibbling off these ones too. Insect-wise. On this side. Okay. All right. The onion bed, doing just fine. Now look at that. Kale will soon be right past the tomato guard. Yeah. I'll see these ones at these nice big onions last year. These ones here. Now, as soon as these start flopping over, I'm gonna pull the first onion, see what it looks like. Now, oh look, you're already bolting. That's what happens when you grow kale from last year. As you can see, it's coming off right here from last year's. Well, I hope the other kale starts coming up soon. got some today. Wow. Look at all the dill, eh? It's even in between. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. So our carrots still coming up. And our zucchinis. Zucchini! Okay, how's the beans? Well, I'll come up there. Got one of his leaves munched off. This other one will be up tomorrow. Well, oh, look at you. What the bloody hell happened here? Look at that. Why would a critter take my bean plant out? All right, well, I don't think he'll live, but we'll see what happens. Bloody tree rats. Okay. Oh yeah, much more growth over here. Look at this. It's almost twice the growth. Wow. Well, what a difference the sun makes. Yeah, the potatoes still coming up. What's that? No, that's weed. And the one, and the two. Still nothing else from the other seed potatoes. All right. Whew. It's a bright sunny morning. See if we don't lens flare too much here. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, let's make our way to the front and see how that's making out. As always, with the chicks and peas. Ah, spring flowering. Spring flowering is here. It's a lavender. Should get in here and trim the old stuff off. Oh yeah. Still retains its scent. Okay. Now we're getting some wonderful growth, but I wish my other plants would come up. All right. Okay, so is that? I think that's a sunflower. How are you coming along? Oh, he's struggling. That's a weed. Milkweed. All right, let's look back here. We had, there's that one there that we know of. Yeah, as you can see, I just threw some seeds around. Well, I planted a few. Had a few left over. I had so many pumpkin seeds. Guess if I roasted them, I could eat them. right. So it looks like that's one of ours. That's looking like one of ours. That could be milkweed, not sure. It's just the stalk. The stalk is confusing. Okay. All right. There's the morning glories. Look at them. They're just starting. Just starting to on now. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Threw out some boiling water yesterday on this. Yeah. It's already starting to clear. And our bird-shaped berry bush. Oh yeah. Future berries right here. All right, looking good. Yeah, all right, let's move up here. Yeah, I think it's grown about as tall as it's gonna get. All right. Well, that's it for today's growth report. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.